Hello guys, and welcome back to another Memorial Drive tire and auto video. For today's video, we will cover what it takes to decide on a tire for your car. So how can you tell when you need new tires? You could go by the longevity of the tire life, but it all really depends on how you drive. Tread being worn out or down significantly lessens the control that a driver has. This is oftentimes a factor leading to hydroplaning on the road during wet conditions. In an effort to make tread wear easier to detect, manufacturers have placed little tread bars that indicate wear on a tire. Because tires are made of rubber, over time the oil that is made in the tire will extract based on pollution, heat, and other atmospheric pressures. This will then cause the tires to crack. Tires are like shoes. Every car has a specific size that fits them. Computers within the vehicles have a speed rating system that determine how fast they can go. It is to explain that there are specifications that come with your car, and it's safer and wiser to follow them. In a previous video, I mentioned that you could find information about your tire pressure on the small sticker in the driver's side door. You can also find the correct size for your tires and your spare as well. The trick is deciphering the numbers on the sticker. Now before I jump into that, I want to first state that some tires will have a letter in front of the tire size. The letter stands for the standards set on a passenger vehicle in the United States. If there is no letter at the beginning, it falls under the Euro metric, which has a different load capacity. The tire size shown here is 235, 45R, 1794W. The 235 is the amount of millimeters across the tread, which would be the width. The 45 is the aspect ratio, which means that 45% of 235 is the measure in millimeters of the height of the sidewall of the tire. The R stands for radial, which is how the layers run across the tire. And the 17 is the wheel diameter, which measures from one end of the tire to another. 94W describes the load index and the speed rating mentioned earlier. Other ratings that can also be found on tires are tread wear, traction, and temperature. I hope that this information serves you in any future tire purchases. Feel free to send us your questions on our Facebook or keep up with us on Instagram. Thanks for watching, guys.